Hi folks, Shane Timmons with Guarantee RV Supercenter. Today we're looking at the Cyclone 3513, newer floor plan. Pretty excited about this one. It's all pre-wired with the generator. You have a fueling station on the opposing side. Your generator runs off that. Nice big tanks. Take a quick peek in here. It's the 5500 awning. You're gonna have 2 air conditioners on this guy. And the auto leveling system. Hydraulic setup on that, so it's all fluids pushing and pulling. Just a little quick outside note, you got a solar panel in addition to the solar strip that's already on there. You can put a freestanding solar panel to increase the battery life expectancy. This gives you a little extra kick, a little more juice to charge those batteries. Propane right here, got one on the other side as well. These guys, nice big heavy door. Right here is a pretty important area. You have a spot for cable hookup, satellite hookup. You've got your auto leveling button right here. This is how simple it is to level your coach. You just turn that on and hit auto level. You have a bypass shut-off system so you can get in there, turn everything off for winterization. Makes it really easy. And if you ever forget, they got instructions. You can come back and revisit these things. Definitely a 4-season coach. These things are rated to 0 degrees. So you got heated underbelly, insulation, come on in. This guy here has a nice big garage. This is what they call a bath and a half. So this room can be its own identity. You can have your own heating, air and heat system different from the other room. So you've got your own temperature gauge there. The bath and a half is you have a toilet sink back here and a vanity area. You have the dinette setup is what this is called. So this will drop down, turn into 2 rollover sofas, and then you can put a dinette in between them. Or you can have 2 queen beds. The back in the area back here, you have a deck. And if you're wondering what these steps are about, this actually goes off the back of the deck, so you basically have an enclosed patio. When you want to use it, it just gives you a lot of extra room. You have a awning that goes over the back as well. Really very nice. It's a mow-ride system, and then you have you don't have to take that up every night and put it down every night. You can just simply close the screen and you can keep your air and heat the way you want it in here. Nice big TV, flat screen up here. All right, so in the kitchen area, you have plenty of counter space, which is always important for who does the cooking and cleaning. Nice big tubs. You can actually get your pots and pans in there and wash those up. It is stainless steel, so you can actually get in there and clean it really well. Cleans up nicely. Big high-rise faucet. Whoever isn't helping you can spray them off. Big screen TV out here. So you got reclining chairs, heated chairs, vibrating chairs. You can kick back, relax, watch some TV in your downtime. I'll point out there is a fireplace. It's not just decorative, that actually produces heat from your 110. So you're gonna have 2 sources of heat. Propane derivative heat and then your 110 supply, because you got that there. So you don't have to use up all your propane while heating this area in here. You got the bigger refrigerator, dual door. This is an Orcold. Got plenty of space in there. Nice big deep trays. So just a ton of storage. Orcolds lets you put your own setting, so you can adjust that. Convection microwave. So you got a rotary, you can get in there and do some baking there. You also have a glass door on the stainless steel package oven. So plenty of spots to do some baking. You got a 2-burner stove, big burners, propane derivative there. Just a ton. If you look back there real quick, you got a lot of storage, lots of drawers. I like how they did this here. They tucked pretty much everything away. All your generator start, place for your hours, your fueling station, your tanks, your awnings, everything is in nice one spot. You don't have to chase it all over the coach to find it. And it's enclosed so little fingers can't get in there and mess with stuff they're not supposed to. Right up in here, you have the full-size king bed, another TV with the wardrobe slide out. So right behind you here, you have just a ton of closet space. One of my biggest feedbacks, where am I going to put everything? I need more room. So this guy does a really good job. This is what they call a Jack and Jill bathroom. Access from both sides. Nice big real shower so you can stand up, take a shower, and have some elbow room, as I call it. You have a porcelain toilet. You have a real vanity. And you have a real sink. Corian surface. Really nice floor plan on the tandem axle size. Not real too big, not too heavy. Right in that middle range spot where you can kind of get anywhere you want to go. Give me a call on this unit. We have multiple floor plans. This is our top seller, Shane Timmons, 503-707-2393. Thanks.